All right, so we are given the radius to be 9 and we are asked to find the circumference. So for those who are not here, look at it very carefully. Let's look at it there, Andrew. So this is what we call the radius, right? Radius is a line from the center to the circumference. So it stops right at the circumference. So C is equal to 2 pi r. Now, before you guys can do it, because you were not here, you need to know this. Pi, not 2t, but pi, is equal to 3.14 or 22/7. Whenever the radius is not a multiple of 7, we normally use a 3.14. It tends to be easier. Alright? So, if the radius is a multiple of 7, like 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, etc., etc., right? We use 22/7. So if you look at this one, the radius is 9. So what we're going to do, we're going to say the circumference is equal to 2 times pi. Remember, we're going to use pi as 3.14 times the radius. What's the radius? A line drawn from the center to the circumference. So in this case, the radius is 9. So all we have to do, I like to group them. I don't know why. It just feels better. So it will be 2 times 9, which is 18 times 3.14. So it's 314 times 18. So we can just multiply 8 4s 32, 8 1s 8, plus 3 11, 8 3 is 24, plus 1 25. Put a 0 to all the space because we're going to multiply by 10 now. So 144, 111, 133. So all we need to do, add 0 plus 2, that's 2. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. And that's 5. But we started with 2 decimal places. So we must end with the total of 2 decimal places. So that's 56.52 meters. So guys, please make a note of it, those persons, alright? Please make a note of it, guys. Ready, Deandra? I'm not hearing Deandra.
Sir, I'm back.
Deandra, what kind of style that man? Go ahead.
Well, wait for something. Sorry, sir. So 2 pi r is the formula for finding the circumference. So what I normally do is that I multiply the 2 times pi. So 2 times 3.14 is 6.25, 6.28, sorry. And then I multiply that by the radius, which is 4. So 4 multiplied by 8 is 32. 4 times 2 is 8.
But you don't tell me what to write. You only say 4 8 32. Should I write down all of the 30?
No, sir. 4 times 8 is 32. Carry the 3 and put down the 2.
Alright. Remember, sir, just right, that's all.
4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. So you're going to carry the 1 and put down the 1. Sir, put down the 1. Yes, sir.
I did.
Oh, sir, because I did not see it. Anyways, 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 1 is 25.
Yeah.
So your answer would be 25.12.
Can you tell them where you get the point, dear son?
Sir, how you got the point between the 5 and the 1? It has to be between the 5 and the 1 because there's 2 decimal places behind the 3.14.
Yeah, the 6.28, because you convert that. Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Sir,
correct.
put on your meters.
Yeah, man, I did. Yeah. All right. Very good. It's correct. I like the part where you say put on your meters because guess what, Deandra? A few persons are doing this in a Deandra. I can't believe that my students gave me that as the answer. What is that, guys? That's not complete. We don't want to lose a mark. You have to put on whatever unit. Whether meter, whether millimeter, whether centimeter, whether kilometer. Just put the unit there. All right. Hopefully, the new persons get a better idea. I could do one more, guys. We have other stuff we're gonna do today, but I could do one more to see if they can get a better understanding of it. So this is the formula, just like when we doing a square and we say 4 times the side, whatever the side is, and we find in perimeter, we could just multiply it by 4 because all the sides would be the same. So that's the formula, 4 times side. So this is the same thing. So we use this formula as Tatiana asks if we are given the radius, is if it's every time we're going to say 2 times pi. That is correct. All right. So it's 2 times pi. Thanks so much, Deandra. Let's try another one.
Okay,
Mhm.
so first I have to remember the formula, which is 2 times 3.14 times 10, which is the radius. Then we're going to switch it around, which is 2 times 10, which is 20. And then we multiply 20 times the 3.14. But we're going to forget about the decimal points. It's going to be 314. So 0 times 4, 0. 0 times 1, 0. And 0 times 3, 0.
Okay.
And then we put a 0 at the bottom for a placeholder. And then 2 times 4 is 8. And then 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And then we're going to add all that, which is 6,280. But we're going to put back our decimal point between the 62 and the 80, which is going to be 62.80. And that's weight. But you have to put the meters. So it's going to be 62.80 meters.
Yeah.
That's that.
Yeah, very good. That's correct. Thanks, guys, when you present for saying that. All right. All right. Somebody says, "Sir, send back the last question. I was disconnected." All right. No problem. Thanks so much, Liana. Well done. Well done. You guys are awesome. All right. So we're gonna find the area of a square with length 5 meters by 5 meters. Again, let's before we multiply, let's do it without the multiplication. So we have 5 here, so we're gonna have 5 going down. I try to even it out as much as possible. 1, 2, 3. Part here big, right? So I'm carrying the part here. No, not you. All right, that is better. All right. And then 5 going across as well, because this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's count to see how many squares it took to cover the surface. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So our answer or the area is 25 square meters. 25 of them, of these small squares it takes to cover the surface. Another way we could have done it, 5 meters multiplied by 5 meters, which will give us 25 square meters. Think you amuse yourself. What? That's crazy. Go ahead.
Alright, so first, sir, what I did to find the area of this square is first I draw 5 lines actually in the surface of the square. Then I drew 5 lines across, and then after I counted each of the squares in the square, yeah, and then I got 36. And if I'm not sure, I times 6 meters times 6 meters, which gave me 36 meters squared. So that's how I got my answer.
Agree. Yeah. He spoke faster than sir, but yeah, I agree. You can draw the 5 lines to get the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Split this to get the 6, right? Then you go ahead and draw 5 more. So you end up with 6 of these across. It's a bit lean. So when you count all of them, we should get 36. Or, as you said, if you're not sure, or not sure, you're sure, but you want to confirm it, you can do the multiplication. Alright, as I told it morning class, you don't necessarily have to do this every single time. This is just for you to understand this is what's happening. This is a number of squares. You understand? Alright, Ibar, soon look at it. No, something wrong. I know 6 me do, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want one more set? They're gonna make it ugly, you know. How we manage this like that? Supposed to have one set, so and then a next set across like that. A next set. Somebody say I'm rushing. You know, I'm rushing. You know, I think because she spoke fast. I kind of wanted to, you know, we are do it together, but so it goes. So we have 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. As I said, 6 meters times 6 meters will give us the 36 square meters. Very good. All right, let's change the shape now. Not all the time it's going to be a square, right? What about if it's a rectangle? I want you guys to do it without any example. That's how smart you guys are. You can do this on your own. So I'm gonna make the length be 9 meters and then this one be 6.
So, sir, we're supposed to find the area of the rectangle, which area is the number of squares it takes to cover a shape, figure, or surface. And sir, area is times in the length, is also by times in the length by the width. The length is 9 meters and the width is 6 meters. So you times the 9 times 6 and you get 54 meters squared.
Yeah, 54 square meters. Very good. That would be correct. So you see that, guys, you didn't need any example. Some of you what done this already still because you passed grade 4. They start introduce it from grade 3 now, you know. I don't know why. But when I look at this something, I saw that the grade 3 of it. Thank you so much. It's correct. It's correct. Great job. So, bye, guys. Remember to put the little square there to show that it's the total number of squares that it takes to cover the surface. All right, just like what Tori said. I think we have time for 2 more. So my mind tell me that we can do 2 more. So let's see if we can do 2 more. Have fun. Find the area of that one with length 23 meters and width 8 meters. Have fun.
Um, so sir, right there it shows a square, which, sir, how we can work that out? We could say area equal length times length. And sir, we can say, sir, we should say 23 meters times 8 meters, which will give us 142 meters square.
All right, go again. You said length times length. You mean length times width, right? Remember, they are different, you know. All right, go again. So you said 23 times
23 times 8 meter.
Yeah.
So what we are going to do, we are going to write the 23 and we are going to put the 8 below the 3. And we are going to say 8 times 3 is 14. And we are going to put down the 4 and we're going to carry the 2 over the tens, over the
Oh,
tens.
24. All right, all right. You said 14, eh? Take your time,
Yeah.
senior man. Relax. A class. Go ahead.
And then, sir, we are going to say 8 times 2, which is 16, plus the next 2, which would give us 18, and that makes our answer 182 meters square.
You have 2 different answers, you see? Which is it?
Sir, it's mistake 184 I meant.
That's you have to relax, man. I'm gonna make you present more often because you got it right in your book, so you're not nervous. Just relax, man. No one
Sir,
is
it's because
doing.
that's why I'm making mistakes.
Yeah, man, but you're not nervous, man. Just relax. All right, good job. It's correct. Very good. All right.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Yeah. It's okay. So, guys, as she said, length times the width. So it's 23 meters times 8. Unfortunately, we only have about 12 minutes to complete this one, the entire class. Carrie Ann will walk us through this one if she so desire. Try this one, guys. The final one for today. You guys did well, though. Every day I say that. I'm so proud of you guys. All right, so this one will take us out. I would say today was a very good day. Hope you guys enjoyed class as much as I did. So find the area for this one, guys. Let's go. So we're gonna close.
I drew all the lines and I counted them and I got 45.
Okay. So I should draw the lines then. All right. So this should be 9 across. 9 going down, 1. Probably I forgot to extend it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, squeeze it up, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then it would be 5 across.
Yes, 5 across.
2,
And then I counted them all.
3. Alright. That one here kind of bigger, but it's okay. Alright, so let me count them and see.
All of them that I
Okay.
drew.
Alright, great job.
And what else? Shit. Oh, and I wanted to make sure, so I put 9. So I added up 9m times plus was it times 5m?
Okay, you multiply them as well.
Just to make sure.
Yeah, that's the right way. Nothing is wrong with that. So just in case you make a mistake.
45. This is the third one I got right.
Congrats. You know, we actually check them as well, especially on the mental day. I want you guys to check how many you get and so forth. All right?
Okay, how do I do
Yeah. Just count how many you got correct. Tick them. All right. That is correct. So, guys, we're going to close off. I'll see you guys tomorrow for those who don't do mental on a Friday. Well, even if you did it on Friday, you can come tomorrow because I got TikTok yesterday.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care, guys. Great job today.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Take care. You
sir.
guys are awesome.
Bye,
Take care.
sir.
Bye, guys. I'll
Bye
post the
bye.
videos for the others, all right? Take care.
Bye,
Wait,
sir.
Bye.
how does my picture
Bye,
go in
sir.
the little square at the side?
All right. It's 2 hours class, so class is gonna end. Bye, guys. Take
Bye,
care. See
sir.
you guys soon. All right.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Okay.
Yeah. Take
Bye,
care.
sir.
Bye. See you soon.
Bye.
All right. So take care till tomorrow, guys. All right.
Bye bye.
Bye. Take care.
You too.
Definitely. Definitely.
You're the best math teacher I ever had.
Lie that man. Lie.
No, you're the best math teacher I ever had.
But class is gonna be great though. You will learn a lot. Trust me. Not because me the teacher, but you will learn a lot. Cause we don't rush it. We take our time and things.
All my trust is in you.
Definitely.
Mommy's going to
You can
save
do
your
that for
number.
real. You can do that for real. Trust me. No joke.
Bye,
Mommy's,
sir.
Bye.
mommy's
Take
going to
care.
give me your number so I can send the work myself.
Oh
Because
yeah, yeah. Yeah,
our
man.
internet doesn't really work. So she has to move the phone from where it's getting internet to come take the picture.
Yeah, yeah. Understand. Yeah,
And
man,
then
no
I
problem.
okay. See you tomorrow.
Definitely. All right. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
You too.
Definitely, definitely.